Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video is super important, so please watch it all the way through. I've teamed up with Manscaped, and they have teamed up with the Testicular Cancer Society to bring education and awareness to early detection. Guys, I'm getting a little bit older. My birthday is actually in a couple days from now. I'm turning 39, and though we want to kind of push these things off a little bit, it is right in front of us. Early detection, they teach you that stuff in school, I hope. If not, we're bringing more awareness to it. And what Manscaped and the Testicular Cancer Society want you to be educated about is self-screening, even at a younger age, to be able to prevent, God forbid, future cancer. And so they actually have given me this awesome shirt, We Save Balls, Manscaped plus the Testicular Cancer Society. Awesome shirt. Actually fits great. I'm actually gonna sport this bad boy, athletic cut, size medium for me. I'm 5'9", 155 pounds, soaking wet. All right, now let's get to the juicy stuff. How do we do a self-examination? Well, first and foremost, you want to get in the shower, take a warm shower, give yourself about 5 minutes. What you want to do is the warm shower is going to relax the scrotum, and it's going to be able to kind of loosen up those muscles downstairs. I'm going to be using some vague terms because I don't know if YouTube is going to take it down due to the sensitive nature of the subject. I hope not, because this is very important. So we're going to call these your friends. These are your boys. It's going to be okay if one's slightly larger than the other. I couldn't find a smaller ball than this, but you're going to see that these are two different sizes. If one is larger than the other, that typically is normal. And also if one is hanging lower than the other, that is okay as well. So what you want to do is you want to start with one side, and you want to gently roll the scrotum with your fingers to feel the surface of one of your boys at a time. You're going to check for any lumps, bumps, or unusual features. Contrary to what many assume, cancerous tumors typically aren't painful, and just keep notes of any changes in size over time. While the most common symptom of testicular cancer is a painless mass, some men do experience swelling of the testicles and scrotum. Also beware of any dull soreness or heaviness. After you're done with one side, switch over to your other boy and give him a check the same way. Now, what happens if you do find something unusual? Well, definitely go see your doctor. I know healthcare, it's a whole nother subject. We're not gonna get into that. Healthcare in the United States is pretty terrible. It's very expensive. Definitely need to have health insurance. Go see your doctor. Don't quote me on this one, but I believe it's still the law that you can get one examination for free per year, a physical checkup, and they can address that as well. Most men wait 4 to 6 months before they actually make an appointment, and God forbid the cancer can spread in that amount of time. Doctors have seen it all, heard it all, so don't worry. This is your life. Take care of it. And you want to examine yourself about once a month, especially the older you get. Again, it's just going to take a few minutes in the shower and keep a track of how your boys are doing. Now, fortunately, most testicular masses are not cancerous, which is awesome. It's also called benign. Even so, any change or irregularity in the scrotum or testicles requires a visit to your doctor. So even though they're benign and not cancerous, they can still cause intense discomfort and threaten fertility, so you don't want that. These could be cysts, infection, injury, or these long words I can't pronounce, hydrocele and varicocele. So let's go ahead and put the egg down. I actually have to eat that later. So because Manscaped has teamed up with the Testicular Cancer Society, they are going to be donating a portion of every sale to the Testicular Cancer Society. That is awesome. So that means by using my code BINSBERG20, you're going to get 20% off with free shipping your entire order. Doesn't matter if you get the performance package, the brand new crop mops, the weed whacker, a pair of boxers or two. I have like 10 pairs of these. These things are absolutely amazing. I wear them every night in kickboxing. Pick yourself up a shirt. All right, now I'm really super pumped for their newest product. This is their crop mops. These are individually wrapped, pH balanced wipes for your friends downstairs to stay fresh and clean. This is perfect for mountain biking, getting off before dinner, swipe them up a little bit, camping, van life. If you got somewhere to go after the gym, you don't have quite enough time to take a shower, swipe around a little bit, head off to go get some poke bowls. Great for travel as well. Long plane rides at the airport, in between layovers, even at work to freshen up a little bit. We've all been there if you know what I'm talking about. Well, I just tried it off camera, obviously, and very refreshing, very nice. Feels like a cool summer breeze. I like your style. Guys, I want to thank Manscaped again for sponsoring this video. Do your self-check awareness, beat testicular cancer, start self-screening early on and continue it. Also, thank you to the Testicular Cancer Society for doing your part. So once again, using my code BINSBERG20 for any purchase, you're gonna get 20% off, you're gonna get free shipping, and they're also gonna make a contribution to the Testicular Cancer Society. That is awesome. Well, those links, everything is gonna be right below the video. You guys stay safe, grab some product, use the codes. We'll see you guys on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.